Today is Mom's birthday. We need to make a surprise for her. Yes, I remember. Mom is going to be so happy. What is the plan? We will make a birthday card, bake some cookies, and decorate the living room. Okay? That sounds amazing. But can we do all of that? We are kids. Yes, we can. And friends, please like this video and tell us in the comments. What do you want to see next? Okay, let us start. First, let us call Dad. He is at work. He can help us.
Emma and Oliver go to the kitchen. They call their dad on the tablet.
Good morning! Happy birthday! Are you two ready for the big plan?
Yes, Dad. We want to bake cookies and make a card and decorate the house.
Wonderful! But first, is Mom still sleeping? We must be very quiet.
Yes, her door is closed. She is sleeping. We are very quiet, Dad.
Good job! For the cookies, you need flour, sugar, butter, eggs, and chocolate chips. Can you find them?
I think we have all of those. I will look in the kitchen cupboard right now.
Emma opens the cupboard. She looks inside carefully. Oliver watches the tablet.
I see flour and sugar. And here is the butter in the refrigerator. Good! Dad says we need eggs too. Do we have eggs? Yes, I see 4 eggs in here. And I found the chocolate chips in the cabinet.
Perfect! You have everything. Now, wash your hands first. Then we can start.
Emma and Oliver wash their hands. Emma puts on a small apron. Oliver puts on a bigger apron.
This apron is very big for me. I look like a funny chef. You look great, Oliver. Now, first we put the butter and sugar in this bowl. Can I put the butter in? I want to help. Yes, put it in the bowl. Good job, Oliver. Now I will add the sugar.
Great! Now mix them together. Use the wooden spoon. Go slowly.
It is hard to mix. My arm is getting tired already. Give me the spoon. I will mix for a bit. Then you can do it again.
Emma adds the eggs. Then she adds the flour. Oliver adds the chocolate chips.
Oops, some chocolate chips fell on the floor. Sorry, Emma. It is okay. Accidents happen. Let us pick them up and keep going.
They mix everything together. The cookie dough is ready. Now they need to put it on the baking tray.
Now we use this spoon to put small balls of dough on the tray. Like this, see? I want to do one. Can I? I will be very careful. Look, I made a cookie. Mine is a little bit big, but it is okay.
Ha ha ha! All cookies are beautiful. Now ask an adult to put the tray in the oven. Be careful, it is hot.
You are right, Dad. I will put on the oven mitts and put the tray in carefully.
Emma puts the tray in the oven. She sets the timer for 15 minutes. Now they wait.
Good! While the cookies bake, let us make the birthday card for Mom. I want to draw a picture of our family on the card. That is a beautiful idea. I will write Happy Birthday, Mom in big letters.
Oliver draws a picture. He draws Mom, Dad, Emma, and himself. He uses 4 colors.
Look, Emma, this is Mom. She has a big birthday hat. And this is Dad. And you and me. Oh, Oliver, it is so cute. Mom will love it. I am going to add a heart border around the card.
The card sounds amazing. Do not forget to write your names inside. And add a kiss and a hug. X and O.
I will write my name. Oliver. I can spell it all by myself now.
The kitchen timer rings. The cookies are ready. Emma puts on the oven mitts again.
The cookies are ready. Oh, they smell so good. Mom is going to love these. They look so yummy. Can we eat just one? Please, Emma? Just a tiny one. No, Oliver. These are for Mom. We will wait. But after the party, you can eat too.
Now it is time to decorate the living room. Thomas told them where to find the balloons and streamers.
I found the balloons. There are red ones and pink ones and yellow ones. So many. I will hang this birthday banner on the wall. Can you hold this end, Oliver? I have it. But it is a little bit crooked. Is that okay? A little bit crooked is okay. Mom will think it is sweet. Let us use tape to fix it here.
They hang the banner. They put balloons around the room. The living room looks very festive now.
It looks so beautiful. I love all the balloons. Mom will be so surprised.
I am so proud of you two. The house looks amazing. Now, did you arrange the cookies on a plate?
Oh no, we forgot the cookies. They are still on the baking tray. Let us go.
Emma arranges the cookies on a big white plate. Oliver puts the birthday card beside the plate.
It looks like a real bakery. Mom is going to eat all of them. Okay, everything is ready. The living room, the cookies, and the card. Now we wait for Mom.
You did a perfect job. I am leaving work now. I will be home in 15 minutes. Wait for me.
Yay, Dad is coming home. Emma, how do we surprise Mom? Do we hide? We'll hide right here. And then, surprise! Yes, when Dad comes in, he will bring Mom to the living room and we will shout, surprise!
Emma and Oliver hide behind the big sofa. It is very quiet in the house. They wait.
Emma, I hear the car. I think Dad is home, and I can hear Mom too. Shh, be very quiet now. Get ready. When I say 3, we jump up and shout.
The front door opens. Thomas leads Anna into the house. Her eyes are closed. Anna, I have a little surprise for you. Keep your eyes closed. Just a few more steps.
Thomas, what is happening? I can smell something delicious. Are those cookies?
1, 2, 3. Surprise! Happy birthday, Mom!
Oh my goodness. Look at all of this. Did you do all of this for me?
We did it all, Mom. Emma and me. And Dad helped on the phone.
Oh, Oliver, I'm so proud of you both.
Happy birthday, Mom. We made you cookies. And I wrote the card. And Oliver drew the picture inside.
Oh, I love the picture, Oliver. You drew our whole family. This is the best gift I have ever had. I am so proud of you, Emma. And you, Oliver, you are such wonderful children. I love you so much.
Now it is time to celebrate. Thomas brings a small birthday cake from the kitchen. He had it hidden in the car.
A cake! Dad had a cake too. This is the best birthday party ever! Mom, make a wish. Close your eyes and blow out the candles.
I make my wish. And my wish already came true. I have the best family in the world.
Anna blows out the candles. The family cheers. They eat the cake and the cookies together. It is a wonderful afternoon.
Mom, did you really like our cookies? I helped. I put in the chocolate chips.
They are the most delicious cookies I have ever eaten in my whole life. Thank you, my love.
This was so much fun. I want to do this every year for Mom's birthday.
And this is why I love this family. You two made this day unforgettable. Great job watching. Now, a question for you. What did Emma and Oliver make for Mom's birthday? Was it a birthday cake, chocolate chip cookies, or a bowl of soup? Tell us your answer in the comments.
Did you get it right? Tell us in the comments. We love reading your answers.
Thank you for watching English Tales for Beginner. If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe to our channel. We have many more slow English stories for you. See you next time.